Prompt engineering is the practice of crafting clear, specific instructions to get better results from AI systems like ChatGPT or Claude. Unlike traditional software that follows exact commands, AI interprets natural language. That means the quality of your prompt directly determines the quality of the response you get. Effective prompts share a few core principles. Specific prompts produce better answers than vague ones. Context helps the AI tailor its response. Assigning a role activates relevant expertise, and requesting structure, like steps or analysis, improves reasoning quality. Our first demonstration shows how specificity alone can dramatically change AI output quality. We'll ask the AI to help plan a party, first with a vague prompt, then with a highly specific one. With a vague prompt, like "help me plan a party," the AI produces a generic checklist. It doesn't know who the party is for, what the constraints are, or what success looks like, so it defaults to broad advice. When we provide context, constraints, and a clear objective, the AI responds with a complete, actionable plan. Specificity transforms generic advice into something you could actually use. The improvement happens because the AI now understands the situation. Constraints guide its reasoning, context improves relevance, and clear output requests reduce ambiguity. Role-based prompting works by telling the AI who to be. Assigning a professional role activates specialized knowledge and changes how the AI structures its response. Without a role, the AI gives a shallow checklist. The response isn't wrong, but it lacks prioritization, diagnostics, or expert reasoning. Once we assign a role, the response becomes systematic and professional. The AI prioritizes causes, explains how to diagnose the problem, and recommends a realistic treatment plan. Chain-of-thought prompting explicitly asks the AI to show its reasoning process. This is especially useful for complex decisions where understanding why matters as much as the final answer. A simple question usually produces a simple answer, with a little insight into how the AI reached its conclusion. By asking the AI to walk through its reasoning step by step, we get a transparent, auditable decision process. This allows us to evaluate the logic and adapt it to our own situation. The takeaway is simple. Better prompts produce better results. Specificity, context, role assignment, and structured reasoning are the core tools of effective prompt engineering.